Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla konrat ke sangma rengkat usembut Menteri Rangba aba Preston Tensong mentagasngi kiladan langban Pynhap Pyrda ya kajing rakhe ya ka Jubili Rupa jangka School St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Pynursla. Kani ka jaka puli ka bapau baha ka than Pynursla kelas sedang ya ka Higher Secondary School section haus 6 Hajar mat menta kala kenjo sya kajing syakri ka ba arpusan senam. Hakajing rakhe ya kani kasngi lapan syongkun da kajing dan lang nadu ki padar ki sestar ki dong yalam shnong na lor ki nong hikai bat ki khna skul bat ki kemi ki kpa ladon lang ru hakani kasngi dadu menteri ketenat arts and culture ka Khuborjylla ba san borshulai ki MDC jong ka nong shken congress merik harpuri SDO ka Pynursla civil subdivision kong wajri ki he pulit ki he sarkar bat ki khna skul barim kumban shupai din ka School St. Anthony's Pynursla kala syakri ya kathan nadu kisnam khat khandai spa sanpuh nyau terter badde nadu kate kasnam kani ka jaka puli kala kiu artat hakajing syakri ya kathan baro kawe lapan syong kun ya kani ka program da kajing penkup buram ki padar ki sestar bat kiri rangba ki balong kirat ba hakajing seng ya kani ka school hadu bakan dan long kumni kumba kalong mentah.
Thank you so much. To kindly come in front to be demonstrated by the Secretary of the School Management Committee.
I have to tell you two things. Number one, that from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will be giving a sum of 35 lakhs for the building from the Chief Minister's Special Development Fund. Second, we realize that the need for higher secondary schools is more because of the pass percentage in the secondary schools. And hence we are coming up with a program, which is the final stage of drafting the guidelines, where private schools, that means non-government schools, private schools, which could be government aided, based on their performance, based on geographical issues, the fact that they are very, interior locations, and other factors. The government intends to support, depending on funds, of course, anything between 50 to 100 schools every year to extend their classrooms in higher secondary schools. So we are almost at the final stage of drafting the guidelines. We should be able to announce the schools which will be getting this also very soon. And we are looking at a fund of anything between 50 lakhs to 1 crore, again, depending on the budget. But roughly that amount we intend to give to the schools so that they can expand the buildings and create more classrooms. Let me assure Father Lucas and the managing committee and the people of the area that this school will be included in that list also. So we will give funds from that scheme also, because of the kind of work that you are doing, the difference that you make in the society, and the selflessness, the sacrifice and the commitment with which you have been working for the past decades to bring a difference into the lives of the young students and the people living in this area. So with these few words, I once again would like to wish all the past pupils, all the past headmistresses, headmasters, principals, all the past members of the managing committee, all the past teachers, and the non-teaching staff, and everybody who has contributed today to make and to bring the school to where it is.
Tapos kamera ma.
Glory to our school in its early years. MIL Khasi. On Ivalka's Homesley behalf today is her sister. I request her sister.
Small token of appreciation from our school. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. So kindly come forward to accept a small token of appreciation.